Welcome to SK Contact Form Builder. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install SK Contact Form Builder from this listing page on the Shopify App Store, take you around the dashboard, and give you a real introduction to everything it can do for your store. Let's go ahead and click that install button right here. Shopify will show you a screen explaining exactly what the app needs access to, things like your store's theme, so it can display forms, and your customer data, so it can save submissions. Go ahead and click Install to approve it. And that's it, the install is done. The app opens right inside your Shopify admin, and the very first screen you'll see is the plans page. If you're just getting started, go with Starter, it's completely free, no credit card required. Click Get Started Free. And you're straight into the app. You can always come back and upgrade later, whenever you need to. Right here on your dashboard, you'll see a quick setup guide. Just 3 simple steps to get your first form live on your store, with a progress bar so you can track exactly where you are. Step 1 is to create a form, either generate with AI or start from a templates. Let's quickly create a form. Click on Create Form, select Start from a template. Select Contact Us Form. Click on Save button. Once it's created, click on the form's ID to copy it. Step 2 is activating the app embed, so the app is actually allowed to show up on your theme. Click on Open Theme Editor. It'll take you straight to your app's embed section. Click on Save button. Your app embed is enabled. And step 3 is placing that form on your store. Click Add Form Block. It'll take you to your home page with a form block already added. Open that block settings. Paste in the form ID you copied earlier. And click on Save button. Once all 3 steps are checked off, your first form is live. Thanks for using SK Contact Form Builder.